Hi there, my name is Robert Cox here at Factory Outlet Trailers. And today we're just going over a couple of the benefits. We have an 8.5 by 24 Alcom Stealth Supreme car hauler. One of the challenges you find with a lot of these car haulers is accessibility for loading your vehicle. A couple benefits on this trailer that we have for loading access. On the ramp, as you see, we have 4-inch bumpers, which will increase the loading angle on these trailers for loading. Another major benefit to these trailers, we have 6-foot aluminum stowable ramps. These ramps just pop right out and fold down. This is increasing your loading angle. So basically, any vehicle that you have will fit into one of these trailers, and you will have no issues loading this vehicle with the bottom out. Another major benefit to these trailers come with an elite escape door, 6 foot, and removable fender. Removable fender just pops off here. Just as so. With that gives you accessibility for getting in and out of your vehicle. You're not having to crawl out of the window. You can actually get your door open and crawl out of these vehicles. So just a couple of benefits to this trailer. And you can find this trailer at Factory Outlet Trailers. Our phone number here, you can contact us anytime at 403-603-3311, or my email, robert.cox@fot.ca.